Go ahead.
What's going on, y'all? This is Dan with Greenway Frenchies, and I got a litter for y'all of all lilac and tan merles. I got 2 girls and a boy. This is our sister litter. We got Tia right here. We got Tamara, and we got Go Home Roger. Roger, he is our fat boy. Look at him. He's so fat. He's so fat. He's so sweet. He's the most playful of them all. He has the most personality. He's just a chunky boy. He's stocked. I mean, he's just got a great structure, and he's beautiful. Yes, you know what's going on, boy. He is absolutely beautiful. He is double. He carries 2 copies of 10 points. He carries 2 copies of Cocoa. He carries 2 copies of Intensity and 2 copies of Blue. So he is a lilac and tan merle. He is available right now. They are all looking for their forever homes, except for Tia. She is spoken for already. But we also have Tamara. She is our princess of the litter. She is small, she's compact, she's tiny, and she's feisty. She has the most heart out of them all. But you know what I love about her and her DNA? She also carries 2 copies of Intensity, and you can actually see it the best when you look at her coat. Look how it shimmers, how it just puts that lightness to her coat. So she has the, I feel like that Intensity really does her coat some good. Come here. Yes. So she is also available. She's looking for her forever home. Again, this one right here, Tia, she was actually the pick of the litter. She's already reserved. She's our special girl. I mean, she is beautiful. She carries 2 copies of 10 points, 2 copies of Cocoa, 2 copies of Blue, and she carries 2 copies of Intensity as well, but she also carries Testable Chocolate. So she's going to be able to be a new shade maker. So this is our special girl. Now, guys, the thing to remember about our puppies, they all come with health certificates, with the warranty. We'll sign a contract once when you purchase one. We'll sign a contract so you know that you are getting a guaranteed, healthy, well-kept puppy. Also, our puppies are AKC registered, so they'll have their papers. Our puppies come with their first shots. They'll come with their first shots, and we also have delivery available for them. Now, when you're purchasing a puppy, whether you purchase one from us or you buy one from another breeder, just a couple things to keep in mind when you're dealing with the puppy breeder that's in another state, somewhere where you cannot just pull up to their house and see the dog. The thing to remember is that breeder should be more than willing to FaceTime you so you can see the pup, so you can see the environment that the pup is living in, where it's raised at. The breeder should be more than willing to send you as many pictures as you ask for, and just answer all your questions. If you're getting breeders that are getting annoyed with you asking questions, with the request for pictures, they don't really want to FaceTime you, that's pretty much a red flag. Your breeder is going to tell you a lot about that puppy that you're getting. You want people that care about their puppies and not just some dogs that are bred in the backyard and they're trying to get a couple bucks off of them. These puppies here, they were raised in our home. They're raised with love and care. I mean, they're treated just like real babies. They run around, they play, they have mom. They have mom here on site. Matter of fact,
You want to grab mom?
yeah, I'm gonna grab her. Can you make sure that they don't roll off?
Now, Tia Bia, she is a good girl. She's gonna stay put. She's very chill, except for when she's in her environment with her sister and brother. That's when she gets a little turned up, but for the most part, she's chill. These 2 are busybodies.
Yeah. So this is mom right here. This is Mamacita Chulita. She is my personal baby right here. Look, they all look just like mom. Tamara right here, she's the one that looks like mom the most. She's gonna look exactly like her. She's small. She's the run of the litter. Mom was also the run of the litter. But she's got that personality like her. This is my baby. She's super affectionate, but she's super feisty at the same time. And look, they all love her. They're still trying to get some of her milk, and she's not producing milk anymore. They're on kibble, but yeah, this is mom.
Fully transitioned to kibble weeks ago.
Good job, babies. Good job. So if you guys are interested in wanting to know more about any of the available puppies that we have, want to know more about us, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text. You can text me at 904-329-0384. You can shoot me a message on Instagram. Greenway Frenchies is our Instagram. My personal Instagram is at MoneymanDan, 3 underscores after that. Or you can get at us on Facebook at Greenway Frenchies. But they are, like I said, Tamara is available. Roger is available. They're looking for their forever homes. If you got questions, give us a call. Oh, one thing that I forgot to mention, a huge benefit when you purchase one of the pups from us, when you purchase a female from us, you do get half price on your future stud. So if you plan on buying these girls to breed, if you use, we use Love My Pups. Love My Pups is the stud that we use. Love My Pups Gibby was the dad of this litter, and Love My Pups is offering 50% off of any stud that you want to use for future breedings. So that's going to be a huge benefit to getting one of our girls as well. So again, 904-329-0384. Shoot me a text and set up a FaceTime and let's talk more. Talk to you later.